To begin a freestyle hair design on natural texture, first analyze the hair to determine the direction of hair growth. Because natural hair is typically fine, we must cut in the direction of the hair growth to maintain a dark surface. Cut with the grain, working a panel at a time using a number 1 attachment comb. The goal is to cut the hair down until it lays flat against the scalp. Visualize the placement of your design before stamping it in place. Use the corner of the trimmer and glide it as if it were a pencil. Use short strokes to refine the line and move the tool in both directions. Remember to keep the line work in harmony with the haircut and natural curvature of the head. Cutting against the grain is essential to creating clean, sharp lines. You may find that you will need to turn the trimmer in different directions to achieve this look. Clean up the lines by turning the trimmer so that the cutting blade is against the lower end of the line and gently press up against it to the desired width. A freestyle design is a form of artwork etched on the scalp utilizing no reference and is generally envisioned from your imagination. It is comprised of a series of lines that come together to form shapes and can be as simple 2D line work or as complex as a 3D masterpiece. Once you place your initial line work, the next step is to build your line work from there. Add width, create shapes, and sharpen corners. This step is all about personalization and the story you want to tell. The design should be easy to follow from the beginning, leading to its climax, and finally tapering off the end. When creating curvature lines, stabilize your knuckle and use it as an access point to follow through the circular motion. Detail and personalize the hairline as needed. Outline around the design to add interest and style. To keep the design user-friendly, taper in the nape to mimic the actual haircut. Now it's time to pull out the razor. Apply Maverick Blade Slip for an easy glide. This step is crucial to making those lines really pop, especially when working with natural texture. This will create high contrast and clean up any flyaway curls that may lay over the sharp lines. Designs on natural texture can sometimes need a little support to really stand out against the overall haircut due to the fine texture and light density of this specific hair type. To make those lines bold, we will have to fill in the light spaces in between the hair follicles with color. I'm using the Demi 3N to enhance this design. Matching the color to the natural hair level is key to adding depth and dimension while still keeping a natural end result. Here's the design before adding color. Keep in mind that when using color, it should be used as a support system and not as a rescue mission. Use a paintbrush to outline the lines, staying directly over the hair, and work with the grain for maximum control.